The heavily updated Maruti Suzuki Baleno will be launched in February. The new Baleno will be the first among the long list of Maruti Suzuki cars that will be updated later this year. The Baleno has consistently been the best-selling hatchback in its segment, and following its mid-life update in 2019, the Baleno now gets a completely redesigned exterior and interior, but will remain mechanically unchanged from the outgoing model. While the exterior receives a substantial makeover, the interior is also expected to receive a significant update over the current model, and also looks inspired from the 2022 S-Cross, which was revealed recently in the European markets. The facelifted Baleno gets a completely overhauled face with a larger and wider grille that extends into the headlamp assembly. The headlamps too are completely new with a L-shaped wraparound design and new LED DRLs. The front bumper also looks a lot sharper and gets wider central air intake and new design for the fog lamp enclosures. Not much expected on the side except the new set of alloys. Also gets sheet metal changes to the rear doors and fenders to accommodate the newly designed tail lamps. At the rear, the new Baleno gets redesigned tail lamps with L-shaped extents and the new tailgate. The rear bumper also gets some design changes. Overall, the new Baleno has a wider stance and adopts a sharper styling approach as opposed to the curvy design of the outgoing model. The interior also gets a new design theme. The new dashboard gets a center console inspired by the 2022 S-Cross. This side-by-side comparison gives us a clear look of the design similarities. Both hold similar size floating infotainment with different housing. The hazard switch below is flanked by rectangular AC vents, also gets new switch gear for climate controls, a flat bottom steering wheel from the Ertiga and XL6 twins. The semi-digital instrument cluster is also expected to get a revision. The new infotainment is likely to get an onboard SIM which comes handy for connected car tech such as geofencing, real-time tracking, find a car, intrusion detection, tow-away alert and more. Other key features could include cruise control, automated headlamps and wipers, wireless Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. Under the hood, the Baleno facelift will remain mechanically unchanged and will continue to be powered by the current pair of 1.2-litre naturally aspirated petrol engines, an 83 horsepower standard unit and a 90 horsepower mild hybrid unit. Transmission choices of the 5-speed manual and a CVT automatic gearbox will also remain unchanged. The 2022 Baleno prices are expected to be in the same range of the current model. Official bookings are expected to open later this month ahead of launch next month. Unofficial bookings might have started in Nexa dealerships across India. Thanks for watching.